Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. We'll start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the Play Store. Be aware that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account currently added, or you will sign in right away. If you're not sure how to do it, I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So after that, all we have to do is to enter this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account basically, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's enter Manage. And here we've got the list of all installed apps, so let's tap on Updates Available right next to the Installed option, and thanks to it you can check which of those apps which are installed can be updated. If you want to, you can of course update all of them, if not, just mark those which you want to update the most. So I'll choose, for example, Messages, Chrome, and maybe Maps. Let's mark it, and after that we have to simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.